Welcome to Tech Geek. This is a little invention. I carry steel wire myself and a multi-tool. In this case I bent some wire, so basically I made a ring and then a sort of hook here and added a reinforcement. So you may wonder what does this do. So you can put a cell phone here and this hook will go into your shirt, the collar, and then you can make a video while using both hands. So I used this in my previous video about the flashlights. So that's the thing. Little improvised video making equipment. Just you can do it if you carry wire with yourself at all times. Thank you for watching.